Hello guys, welcome to Style Digitals. My name's Polo Logo. This is a channel where I learn how to create content for online, be it videos, be it graphics, be it anything that you want to create for online, even how to make money, digital marketing, social media marketing. Now, yesterday I talked about three video makers or three apps you can use to create videos for online, be it a YouTube channel and many other aspects. Now today I want to narrow down. I want us to talk about how to use Filmora to create a simple video. The video I'm going to create works for people who are doing creating content to do the romance or romantic content. Maybe you have a YouTube channel that you're creating things to do with romantic. Maybe you have a Facebook page that's talking to things to do with love. Now this is a video for you, but also other people can still use this video to create. You can get an idea of how to use Filmora to create a simple video for your channel or for your blog and many other aspects. Now let's begin. Now after opening Filmora, it will come to this platform here. Now here is where you'll get all the projects you created initially, but the most important thing if you're starting out is here. You'll decide the kind of content you're going to create. I told you yesterday in a previous video that Filmora is good for creating social media content. If your videos you're going to use your videos in Instagram, or you're going to use maybe this is good if you're going to use your videos in YouTube. This one is good for Instagram. This one is good for if you're going to use short. Maybe you're getting videos, short YouTube videos. Nowadays there's something called YouTube Shorts that you can use to create this. This is the standard. This one standard. This one TV can be viewed almost in all devices and it works very well. But today we're going to create something. We're going to create a portrait. We're going to create a portrait. This one is you can use in YouTube Shorts. This is currently YouTube introduced an aspect where you can create short videos. They range between 15 seconds to 60 seconds, and it's very good, especially if you are looking for traffic in your site, and also you're looking for new subscribers, also watch hours. So I just choose this one. Portrait also is good if your video is going to be watched in your mobile phones because it is in vertical. Your videos is in vertical formation. So I just click this one, portrait. Then I'll just click here, new project. Then it will just take me to Filmora. Then after that, the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to look for where the videos are. These videos I downloaded them from this site here. The videos I got them from this site here called Pexels. So you can get your videos here. You just come to Pexels, create an account. You can look at my description section. I create a video of the best sites where you can get free videos and free pictures that you can use for your online content creation. Now I got my videos from Pexels here. As you can see, there are many videos. The only thing, you just come and type here romantic couples and it gives you a variety of videos depending on your industry. Maybe in the food business, maybe you can just come and type food. It will give you all the videos to do with food. Now I downloaded some videos which are here. So I just go to my downloads here. I'll go to downloads here. Here they are. So I'm going to use them now. After opening them in my downloads, what I'm going to do, let me minimize this. I'm going to select all of them. I'll select that one, then hold shift so that I select everything. Then I'll just drag them like so. So that is how you import videos in Filmora, so that you are able to place them in the timeline. Now after that, I'll now look at the videos. I'll look at a small preview or snippet of the videos. I'll see which one to start with. Maybe if I can start with this one, I'll look for the video that can really captivate people. So I'll just come here, click this, left click it, drag it here in the timeline. Then it is asking me, I'll just keep the resolutions of this timeline here, which is 1080 by 920. So if I play, you see it is in vertical formation. Now I'll place my second video. Maybe I place this one here like so. Then I'll drag this one here. Yeah, you see that. Then maybe let me place the video I'm going to create is only 60 seconds, a maximum of 60 seconds. So I don't want to go beyond 60 seconds. Remember, I'm creating YouTube Shorts. YouTube Shorts is between 50 seconds to between 15 seconds to 60 seconds. So the next video I'm going to pick, because I'm trying to make a romantic video here, I'm trying to create a story. So the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to look for another video, maybe this one here, then connect it here. This looks a little bit longer. If I play, then I'll pause it. Then the next video I'm going to place maybe this one here where they're holding hands. Now maybe this one here, like so. Then I'm going to place this one here. If I play it, I'll just come and click here. So that if you want to click where the video is placed, you'll just come and click here, click here, click here to see the view the videos you created. Now if you want to play, you press the space bar in your keyboard and it will just play, especially if you're using Windows. Now I'll place the last video, which I think is this one here, like so. So I'll come and click here so that I play. I see how it is. Now I want to make the video a little bit shorter. So what will I do? If I want to cut the video into section, I'll just press this. If you click here, and it will just cut. Then I'll delete that section. Maybe now my video will be around 47 seconds. So if I play from the beginning to the end, it will be around 14 seconds. But before that, I want to add more aspect to make the video more interesting. Now you see this space here, I want to add something. So I'll come here under elements, I'll come in elements here, double click it so that now Filmora is so good. You have elements that you can use to spice up your videos. Now these are romantic video, or video to do with something to do with love. So I'll just come here and click here. I'll find all this. Now what you'll do is just download, you double click to download this, also double click to download this, also double click to download this. Already this one I downloaded, I used them previously. So what do I do? After downloading them, I'll just drag, hover on top here, and it will just place it there. Now if I play, you see, but now it is blocking. It is blocking here. What do? I make sure this one is selected. Then I come and click this one. I drag it up here so that it occupies this space here. Now let's see. What do you say? What do you say? It looks interesting to me. Maybe you can tell me in the comment section how you see about it. Now the next thing, I'll play my video to the next aspect. Maybe here. Maybe if I want to add more theatrics, maybe I come here. Maybe here. Maybe add emoji. No, I don't want to use emoji. Let me see something I can use again. Yeah, if I come to hand drawn, maybe I want to add something like maybe this romantic aspect here. Now if I will just come and click and drop it here, then place it here from where it begins. Now if I play, you see, it becomes it adds more aspect about it. Now what about this scene? What can we put here in this scene? Maybe you can play it a little bit up to there where is about to give this lady flowers. So maybe I'll just do, I'll come here, drag this one here and place it there. It's downloading. I'll wait for it to download. So make sure you're using the internet. But the first time you need the internet to download, but in subsequent videos you can just use it because it's already downloaded. Now if I play this one, you see, but now I don't want it to be here. Maybe I minimize it a little bit, maybe where the lady is, like so. Now if I play like so, see, maybe I want it to be maybe here where the lady is about to be given a flower, maybe here. Yeah, maybe here. Now let's see. Let's play it a little bit. Okay, maybe I minimize it a little bit so that I get like so. Maybe here. And if I play it, you see. Now let's go to the next scene. Let's go to the next scene, which is this one here. I think this one we just leave it like so. I think let's make it more natural, like so. And also this scene here. Maybe you can put some more uh, aspect about this scene. Maybe we try this. Let's download it. Let's drag it, but it will download because it is not yet downloaded. So maybe give it some 3 to 5 seconds so that it downloads. Let's see how it will look. If it doesn't work out, we'll just remove it. Okay. Now after it has downloaded, let's see how it will play. Let's play by pressing space key or just pressing this one here to play. Maybe you can pull this one up. Come and click it. Make sure it's selected here. Pull it up here. Maybe here, so that it seems as if the clouds are they are imaginary clouds appearing from somewhere. So let's see how it will play. Yeah, I think now, as you can see, it is extending beyond that. So what will I do? I will adjust this one up to here, like so, up to here, like so. So if I play, yeah, I think now we have tried to make all the scenes look awesome. Now the next thing we're going to insert is audio, so that it becomes more good. It sounds more good and it's more good, so that if somebody sees all these scenes, they're able to listen to good music. Now, where do I get the audios? Filmora is so good. We also have some free audios here. Just come to audios here. Now, there are audios that are inbuilt with the software that you can download directly, but also there's some audios here, like these ones here, where you can just import. If you want to import, you could. Now, like these audios here, I downloaded them from the internet. I downloaded all these audios from the internet for me to use. Actually, not the internet. I downloaded them from YouTube. The YouTube has somewhere you can download free audios. I think in the subsequent videos I'll show you where to get these audios. But for this case, let me just use one of the audios that I downloaded from YouTube, and let's play. Let's see how it will sound. That sounds good. Yeah, let's play it to the end, so you can see that. And now you see this part here. Then I'll go to the next scene. And then the next scene. I think I like this music, but if I don't want it, maybe try another one. Maybe I like this music from here. So what do I do? I'll come here, maybe from here, maybe from somewhere here, cut it. If you press this one to cut it, I delete this upper part, delete, then I'll drag this one up to here, then the music, then I'll come here again, cut it up to there, then remove, so that it becomes aligned with the upper videos. Now if I play like so, as you can see. So sometimes you have to look at if you have a very long music and you're doing a very short video scenes, you have to look at the part that you feel is okay, that it rhymes with the video that you're making. Like now this part, maybe I feel, maybe you can tell me in the comment section if you like this kind of music, or maybe you can comment a better one. Now after that, I think our video is complete, our short video is complete. The next thing we're going to do, you're going to now to export it so that you have a full video. So how do I export this video so that I become with a ready-made video, because this one is raw. But before that, so that you're able to edit your work later on, what do? You'll have to come to your file and save project as, so that you're able to edit the project later on. Then maybe you can decide to save it. Maybe somewhere here. This is where I save such kind of videos. Maybe I save it and give it maybe lovers uh, nest, or lovers propose outing. Then it will just save in the format of this app. Save is good because something can happen. The software can suddenly crash, which you might not like it. So I have a tendency of always saving. Then after that, what do? I'll come here and click here, export. Then it will give me this dialog box. The name that you used to save will just come automatically. Then you'll have to choose where you're going to save it. I've always choose all my videos to come here. So here is the path where they're saved. So I'll just select this folder there. Then you see this is the frame rates, and this is the resolution. Then this is the duration of the video. Then this is the size. Then I'll just export. Then I'll wait for a few minutes for it to be done. Now, after a few minutes or a few seconds, the video will have completed to render or export. Now, let's see how the video will look at. So, find that you can either click this one to find the target where the video is, or another way that you can go about it, maybe give it some few seconds, take us the target where the video is, or you can just come directly to where the video is. So I'll come here and I check where the video is. Yeah, here it is, lovers outing. So if I double click this one here, let's play it. Yeah, there's the video. There's the video. Remember this. So nice, I think. Okay. I think this part we left it just like that. Yeah, I remember the clouds. So romantic, so nice. Yeah, guys, that's the video. This is another one I created. Let me just now, guys, thank you for watching my videos. Kindly, if you find my content is useful for you, or you find value in my content, kindly like it or share it. You can even subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'll be producing more videos of how to use Filmora and how to the tricks and many other video creators like Movavi and the rest. But today I was talking about Filmora. Now go to the description section. I have many links of videos that I've created that can give you more value as you create online content. Guys, have a nice week, have a nice time, take care of yourself, peace.